Most people buy a folding bike based on folded dimensions, but end up hating it because they ignored the brand's core philosophy.
Welcome back. Today we're looking at Brompton, Tern, DAHON, and Bike Friday in 2026. Forget the spec sheet wars. We're talking about which brand actually fits your daily life.
Brompton. Their philosophy is simple: the ultimate everyday fold. The A-line at 999 pounds gives you their iconic 16-inch wheels and 3-speed simplicity. It's the standard if your bike goes on packed trains or slides under an office desk.
But here is where buyers get tricked. They think all Bromptons are just tiny wheel transport. The new G-line at 2,599 pounds changes the math. With 20-inch wheels, hydraulic discs, and standard racks, it feels like a full-size bike. The trade-off? You lose that ultra-tiny footprint. Tern takes a completely different systems-oriented approach. They prioritize 20-inch urban utility over making the absolute smallest package. For most adults riding in real city traffic with potholes, a 20-inch wheel is just inherently more stable and comfortable than a 16-inch wheel.
Look at the Tern Link D8 at $1,099. It includes a rack and fenders right out of the box as a practical transport tool. If you want a smaller package, their BYB P10 at $1,499 engineers a 30% smaller fold using a trifold system.
Then there's DAHON. If your budget is limited, start here. DAHON is the mainstream value king. The Mariner D8 at $899 isn't boutique, but it uses proven technology that DAHON actually pioneered. It's a reliable, off-the-shelf solution for realistic everyday commuting.
But what if you don't fit the generic average adult mold? That's the mistake most people make with folding bikes, accepting a terrible riding position just to get a fold.
That's Bike Friday's philosophy. They are the outlier. Bikes like the Packy T at $1,890 or the New World Tourist at $2,200 aren't sitting in a box waiting for you. They are built to order through a consultation to fit your exact body geometry.
Bike Friday is also selling a travel-first worldview. They use standard, non-proprietary parts. This is huge. If you break a derailleur while touring in another country, any local bike shop can fix it. Try doing that with custom folding bike parts.
So which worldview actually matches your life? Stop worrying about having the absolute smallest fold if you never take the train. Be honest about your actual commute.
Here is my brutally clear advice. Buy Brompton for the most polished, iconic fold. Buy Tern for practical, 20-inch everyday transport. Buy DAHON for accessible mainstream value. And buy Bike Friday if custom fit and global travel matter more than off-the-shelf convenience.
A small wheel bike only works if it fits both your body and your lifestyle. Choose the machine that solves your actual problems, and you'll ride it every single day.
Choose the philosophy, not just the specs.